Namaskar. You may brush your teeth twice a day, but did you know that certain foods and drinks we consume can harm your teeth? Even healthy vegetarian and traditional choices can sometimes be tricky. Let's see what are 10 common foods that can harm our teeth. First comes lemon water or nimbu pani. Lemon water is a refreshing drink many of us enjoy, especially in summer, but lemon is highly acidic. It erodes the enamel, the protecting layer of teeth, making it more sensitive. To avoid this, take a paper straw and see that it is directly not contacting your teeth. Drink it during meals, as saliva production during eating helps neutralize the acid. Always rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. A full glass of charred with roasted jeera and mint is another alternative for you. It's refreshing, probiotic, and good for dental health. The next item is tamarind or imli. Tamarind's tangy sour taste comes from its natural acid. Consuming tamarind chutney, rasam, or tamarind based candy frequently can slowly weaken the enamel. It's best to enjoy all these in moderation. Pair tamarind dishes with alkaline food like curd or cucumber, which help balance acidity. Then comes pickle achar. Pickles are staple in many Indian foods, but they have high salt and acidic preservatives are harmful to enamel. They can also dry out the mouth, creating an environment where harmful bacteria thrive. The solution is to limit your portion with pickles and always choose homemade pickles with less salt and oil. Rinse your mouth or eat pickles with cooling food like curds, rice, or roti. Next is tea or chai. The favorite chai, especially strong black tea, can stain your teeth over time. Tannin in tea sticks to surface of your teeth and cause yellowing, while sugary tea promotes plaque buildup. So, switch to green tea or tulsi tea, which are rich in antioxidants and less likely to harm your teeth. You can also have herbal tea like chamomile, ginger, or rose petal tea. These are soothing, gentle on your enamel, and gives you many other benefits too. Another food which can harm your teeth is sugarcane juice. Sugarcane juice is a summertime favorite, packed with energy, but its high sugar content feed harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to cavity if consumed frequently. Enjoy ganne ka ras occasionally and always rinse your mouth with plain water to wash away the sugar residues. You can also drink alternating with tender coconut water. Next, we have tomato based curry, soups, and ketchup. So, tomatoes are actually acidic. Dishes like rasam, sambar, tomato curry, or even ketchup can wear down enamel when consumed excessively. So, balance tomato in your meals with alkaline food like spinach and cucumber. Brush gently after meals, but wait for at least 30 minutes to avoid damaging softened enamel. You can also replace some of the tomatoes in recipes with pumpkin puree or beetroot paste for a milder tooth-friendly alternative. Next, we have grilled or charred food. Smoky and grilled food may taste delicious but can leave behind carbon deposits. These stains stick to teeth, causing discoloration over time. So don't forget to rinse your mouth or brush after consuming smoky food. Avoid overcharring vegetables and paneer during grilling. You can also opt for steamed or lightly sauteed version of these dishes, which are gentler on teeth while retaining its flavor. Then we have ice cream and cold desserts. See, cold desserts like ice cream or kulfis cause sudden sensitivity, especially you already have weakened enamel. Additionally, the sugar in this treat encourages bacterial growth and cavities. It's better to choose sugar-free or natural alternative like dates and nut-based food. You can also enjoy chilled fresh fruits like watermelon slices. They are hydrating and much healthier for your teeth. Kids will never accept not having ice cream or cold. Kids would still love to eat cold ice cream and kulfi. Best is let them have it, slowly eating, and after that drinking warm water, and that would settle down the problem. Another common food that would harm your teeth is sugar coated saunf or mukhwas. We often eat sugar coated saunf or mukhwas after food as mouth freshener. The sugar clings to teeth, providing food for bacteria and leading to tooth decay. So eat plain roasted saunf or natural mouth freshener like cardamom or clove, or chew a small piece of fresh tulsi leaf. Tulsi leaf is a natural antibacterial agent that freshens breath and improves oral health. The last item is sweetened yogurt and sweet lassi. Flavored yogurt and sweet lassi, though considered very healthy, are full of added sugar. This sugar sticks to your teeth, feeding harmful bacteria and increasing the risk of cavity. So always choose yogurt or lassi sweetened with a pinch of jaggery or fresh fruit instead of sugar. Also try charred with natural spices like jeera and hing. It's refreshing, digestive friendly, and great for teeth. You can also make this herbal dant manjan to take care of your teeth. The ingredients you need are equal parts of neem powder, clove powder, and tripla powder, a pinch of rock salt and dried mint powder. Mix all of this together and your dant manjan is ready. Take a small pinch of this mixture, massage it gently on your teeth and gum with your finger or a soft brush. The benefits of this natural dant manjan are: neem acts as a natural antibacterial agent. Clove powder helps reduce pain and inflammation. Tripla strengthens gum and teeth while balancing doshas. Let me also give you some other tips for dental care. Rinse your mouth with water after you have put anything in your mouth. Practice oil pulling with sesame oil or coconut oil to naturally detoxify your mouth and strengthen gums. Include crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumber, and radish. They act like natural toothbrush, cleaning plaque and boosting saliva production. Replace sugary treats with natural alternatives like jaggery, fresh fruits, or homemade snacks. Food is prana, the energy of life, but protecting your teeth ensures that you can enjoy this nourishment without compromise. With mindful choices, you can preserve your smile and health for years to come. Namaskar.